Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I actually have an unboxing. This one I can definitely say was a want and not a need. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up already. So here's the box that it came in, and a couple of weeks ago I was actually at Rodeo Drive and I was able to see this one in person. I thought I wasn't going to get it just because I said I lived in San Diego and it doesn't really get cold here that often. So yeah, that's what happened, but I tried it on, or I had Joseph try it on, and fell in love. So this is what I ended up picking up at Rodeo Drive, and here it is. It is the Louis Vuitton beanie with the monogram, and I got it in black, of course, because it's gonna go with everything. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I actually had Joseph try it on in store and he actually really liked it too. So yeah, it's not just for me, it's actually for him too. But let me go ahead and try this on for you guys. This is what it looks like on. Oh my god. And yeah, this is what it looks like on. My hair is like air dried, so I didn't really do it today because it was in a clip, but it has a little bit of slouch, and I really do like how it's just simple and plain, but it has like this little pop of monogram. On the website it says that it comes in one size and that it is made of 100% wool, and it comes in monogram canvas with the leather tag. But yeah, this is my really quick unboxing and reveal. I am really just so happy with this purchase. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this and it's gonna last a really long time. So yeah, this is my latest purchase. Definitely a want and not a need, because no one really needs a $480 beanie, but here we are. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!